I'm Neil Kardos with Harity, sharing some tips for efficiently creating drawings and corresponding description for software-based patent applications. So there are four main types of drawings that I include in every software-based application. The first is invention details. This is exactly what it sounds like. You walk through the invention step by step and describe all the details, options, and alternatives. Number two is the device environment or architecture diagram. This shows the devices involved with the invention. Number three is your hardware components, where you show and describe the computing hardware, like processors and memory. And number four is your flowchart, where you lay out the flow of the invention. So when creating the drawings and corresponding description, the vast majority of your time, I would say 90% or more, should be spent on the invention details, because that's the point of a patent application, right? So how can you minimize the time that you spend on the environment, hardware, and flowchart figures? So the most advanced firms and application drafters are using automation. At Harity, we use Patent Drafter. But if you haven't joined the automation party yet, here are three things you can do to get faster at drafting drawings and corresponding description. So the first is to create a template for an entire drawing and corresponding description with comments on sections that need to be customized per application. Then you can copy and paste the template into your application that you're drafting, edit the sections with comments, and you're done. So a good example for this is your hardware components diagram, where there's typically not much that needs to be customized per application. Number two is to create template descriptions for individual elements of a drawing. For example, for your environment figure, you can have template descriptions for a client device, for a server, etc. Again, with comments on the sections that need to be customized. Number three, you can create a standardized flow. For example, for your flowchart description, you could have, let's say, an intro paragraph, a paragraph for each step in the flowchart, and a conclusion paragraph. And then once you've done those three things, send me a message, because it's very easy to join the automation party from there. Thanks for watching.